Hi, it's Charles at Empress Mills, and we are continuing our little look at all sorts of various haberdashery items here at Empress HQ. Today we are taking a closer peek at the Prym Ergonomic tape measure, which I know what you're thinking, it's a tape measure, that's not that exciting, but if you are a bit of a haberdashery geek like myself, I love all the different new items from Prym. This little tape measure was a bit special when it first came out a few years ago. Prym spent a surprising amount of time creating this tape measure, and basically it's got a flat bottom, a flat base, and that is the key element of its design, because it allows, and I will just come in a little bit closer then we can see this, it allows you to actually open the tape measure up, lay it down, let me just get some fabric, it allows you to open the tape measure up, lay it down, and for the tape not to be all the time falling over, folding away. It allows that long strip to be easily rested there. The extra body of the measure itself as well just holds the measure in place that little bit easier than you would normally find if you were working with just a standard tape measure without that. And of course, it's retractable, so it's nice and handy to whether you're storing it in your sewing room or of course, whether you're taking it on your travels with you. Makes a nice handy tape measure for in your bag. As I say, I know it doesn't sound that exciting, but it did win the Red Dot Design Award, which is quite a prestigious international prize, basically for its usefulness, its real, sort of elemental fix to a long-standing problem, which we've all experienced, me included, when working with fabrics. I hope that's been useful. It is, just to mention as well, it is 60 inches in length, and it does feature both an imperial and a metric scale. So you've got centimetres and the inches available to you on this measure. Overall, it is, I'll measure it itself just so you've got an idea of its length. Overall, from tip to tip, it is about 8 centimetres in length, just to give you a bit of an idea of the size. As I say, I hope that has been useful. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Leave a comment, email us through the website, or don't hesitate to pick up the phone, chat to me or one of our wonderful team here at Empress. Thank you very much indeed for watching. See you again soon.